Welcome to the official video overview for the IPO of Innovision Limited. Innovision is in the business of providing manpower services, toll plaza management and skill development training to our clients across India. Caution: investors are advised not to rely on any other document, content or information provided in respect to the public issue on the internet, online websites, social media platforms, microblogging platforms by influencers. Investors are advised to rely only on the information contained in the offer document and price band advertisement for making investment decision. Investors are advised to read the draft red herring prospectus dated December 13, 2024. Innovision Limited's IPO consists of a fresh issue of up to 2,550 million rupees and an offer for sale of up to 1,771,874 equity shares. The offer for sale involves the sale of equity shares held by the promoters in the IPO, and proceeds of the offer for sale will not be received by the company. Incorporated on January 11, 2007, with its registered office in Delhi Cantonment, Delhi. Our business of manpower services focuses on providing manned private security services, integrated facility management (IFM) services, manpower sourcing and payroll services. Our manpower services spans diversified industries and sectors such as healthcare, warehousing and logistics, government departments, retail and BFSI. We are empaneled with NHAI for providing toll management services for user fee collection at its various toll plazas pan-India. In addition, we also provide skill development training to Indian youth as a training partner with National Skill Development Center for various central and state government schemes. We have 35 offices, including our registered and corporate offices across India. We have operations in 22 states and 3 union territories. Further, we have been licensed to provide manned private security services under PSARA Act in 18 states and 4 union territories in India. We are also operating one training center, which is spread across over an area of 3,000 square yards to train the personnel for providing private security. Integrated Facility Management. Our integrated facility management segment comprises of housekeeping and cleaning services, plumbing, plantation, sanitation, carpenter services and support staff services, etc. IFM services consolidate various facility management functions under a single provider to streamline operations and enhance efficiency. Manpower sourcing and payroll. As part of our manpower sourcing and payroll services, we provide skilled, semi-skilled and unskilled manpower to our clients as per their requirements. Our manpower sourcing and payroll services include temporary and contractual staffing. Toll plaza management. Toll plaza management includes user fee collection, maintenance and cleanliness of user fee plazas, user fee collection booths and surrounding area, maintenance of computers and other equipment, traffic management at toll plaza. We make use of technologies such as electronic toll collection through radio frequency identification reader, toll lane controller, cameras including user fare display board, automatic vehicle classification sensors and automatic boom barriers for user fee collection, which helps in improving our operational efficiency and ensuring transparency. Skill development. Our company conducts various skill development training programs under various governmental schemes. We are associated as training partner with NSDC and various sector skill councils to undertake skill development training. We are operating 6 PMKVY centers in Haryana. We are also conducting training for various state skill development missions and currently working in the states of Haryana, Rajasthan, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Punjab and Maharashtra for implementation of short-term training and recognition of prior learning program. Further, through our subsidiary Aero Drone Robotics Private Limited, which is a registered entity with DGCA, we provide remote pilot training courses for drones. Investors should note the following important risks. We have a large workforce deployed across workplaces and client premises. Consequently, we may be exposed to service-related claims and losses or employee disruptions that could have an adverse effect on our reputation, business, results of operations and financial condition. Our businesses are manpower intensive, and our inability to attract and retain skilled manpower could have an adverse impact on our growth, business, and financial condition. Operational risks are present in our business, as it includes providing services in different business environments. A failure to manage such risks, including any errors, defects, or disruption in our service, or inability to meet expected or agreed service standards, could have an adverse impact on our business, cash flows, results of operations, and financial condition. Further, the nature of our business exposes us to additional public scrutiny. Our business requires significant amounts of working capital. We may not be able to obtain future financing on favorable terms or at all, or furnish bank guarantees in the future. If we experience insufficient cash flows from our operations or are unable to borrow funds to meet our working capital requirements, it may materially and adversely affect our business and results of operations. For our revenue from toll plaza management, we are dependent on single client, that is NHAI. In case we fail to win bids from NHAI, our toll plaza management segment would be severely affected and adversely affect our results of operation. Innovision Limited is promoted by Lieutenant Colonel Randeep Hundal and Uday Pal Singh, who together hold 99.99% of the company. The equity shares of our company are not held by public shareholders. The board of directors of the company consists of 6 directors, 3 of which are independent directors. Innovision Limited's revenues from operations stood at 5,103.26 million rupees, with an EBITDA margin of approximately 3.85% in FY 2024. The company registered a PAT of approximately 102.71 crore rupees, reflecting a PAT margin of approximately 2.01% in FY 2024. Investors are advised to read the DRHP, including pages beginning 262 and 318 for further information on financials and related information of Innovision Limited. There are outstanding legal proceedings involving the company, promoters, directors. Any adverse outcome in such legal proceedings may affect our business, results of operations, and financial condition. Please read outstanding litigations and material developments beginning on page 365 of the DRHP. The net proceeds of the fresh issue are proposed to be used for repayment or prepayment, in part or full, of all or certain borrowings availed by our company for funding working capital requirements of our company and for general corporate purposes. IPO will be conducted through book building with allotment of not less than 75% of the net issue to QIBs, not more than 15% to non-institutional investors, and not more than 10% to retail individual bidders. The equity shares will be listed on the BSE and NSE. MK Global Financial Services Limited is the sole book-running lead manager. Investments in equity and equity-related securities involve a degree of risk. An investor should not invest in any funds in the issue unless they can afford to take the risk of losing their entire investment. Please read the draft red herring prospectus dated December 13, 2024 and any corrigendum or addendums thereto. Neither the company nor the promoters are seeking an investment from you based on this video. This is a video for information purposes only and is not a promotional video and does not constitute an invitation or offer to acquire, purchase or subscribe to the equity shares of the company. Potential investors should wait for the red herring prospectus to be filed in relation to the issue for making any investment decision.